Hi, I'm Sophie Robinson and I'm an interior designer, and today I'm hosting my colour workshop, which is basically where I get a room full of really passionate people who love interior design but would like more confidence with colour. So it's a really hands-on day. We do lots of mood boarding exercises, but the ultimate aim is to help people really find what is their unique colour palette, what is their true sense of style, so they can go away from this and decorate with sheer confidence.
Sophie's certainly given me the courage to think outside the colour box and be really bold with colour.
Getting really creative, tearing off strips of paper, getting the fabrics, putting it all together to try and create a room scheme that's going to be personal to me.
So much of my time is spent behind a screen or looking at my phone, so it was lovely to just sort of sit down and play with different materials and make proper mood boards. Go back to basics a little bit and look at other stimulus and try and work out how you can use that to make your home or clients' homes even more amazing.
Anybody that's a little bit fearful of colour, come to this course and you'll get really bold and use bright colours and start to paint with your personality.
The reason to come on this course would be to meet like-minded people, have advice from one of the best in the business in these absolutely beautiful surroundings.
I've had such a great day, not just creatively, but in terms of meeting great people. The food's been amazing. It's just felt like fun, but I also feel like I've really gained a lot and learned a lot.